Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new Tunisian tutorial. Okay, I'm going to be using this yarn. I love it, love it, love it. I bought it from Temu. And I believe it's a light 4-weight, 3-weight. It doesn't give more information than I already know. And I'm going to use a 4mm Tunisian crochet hook. And you need to chain multiple of 2. Okay? So, I'm just going to do a sample here. And we're just going to basically do the Tunisian stitch as we usually do. Okay, so, love the color. Let me just move this so the camera won't focus on the beautiful yarn. It will focus on my hand. Okay, so we're just going to start just a regular Tunisian. And I'm going to chain multiple of 2, just like this. Okay, and it's a very easy stitch, and this is the first time I'm going to be doing with you. Okay, okay, so 2, 3. Yeah, it's a Tunisian crochet hook. I bought it from Temu. It's bamboo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Even 18 is enough, but 19, 20. Let's do 20. Okay. And then we're going to pick up stitches as we usually do. Just like this. Split the yarn. It's beautiful colors. So far, I'm really happy with Temu, the products I bought. Just had a couple of them that weren't as described. But other than yarns that I buy, like, oh, I'm really happy. Okay, so I am picking up stitches just like this. You can skip this part if you want. It's just a regular basic Tunisian setup foundation that we make. Okay, so I'm coming to the last. I'm just gonna make this the last one. So I'm gonna pull the first stitch as we usually do, and the rest is 2, 2, 2. Oops. Thought this would be perfect for a Tunisian stitch to work with. Look at the colors. Aren't they beautiful? Just admiring the colors. Variegated, short variegated colors. But they're really bright. So I believe this is my 18th Tunisian video that I have in my channel. I did create a playlist, so you are welcome to go and check it. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to start the stitch. Okay, so the first one, we're not going to do yarn over. This is how we're going to do this. And then what we do is we kind of move, and then can you see these pearls? So this blue one I'm going to grab, and then I am going to do a yarn over. The only yarn over we do is this part. Okay, so I come to the next one, I pull it like, I have my Tunisian crochet hook go through, and I bent it a bit, and you can see the next one it's just this one, just behind it. So we go in there, and then we do a yarn over, and then we pull. Okay, and then you will see the ups and downs. So that's what we're aiming for. The next one is same, and then so we go to the next one, and then we kind of slant it, and we grab it and do a yarn over, just like this, and then you will see it's happening. So I can't wait to see the colorways, how it's going to go through, and then we go to the next one. Doing it as slow as I can. So I'm going to the next one, slide it, and then go and flip it like this a bit, and then pull it. Just like this. It's a little bit tough to see. Can you see? So it's this fuchsia, the pink color, just behind it, right here. Then we pull. See how it looks? Isn't this brilliant? So I am going to finish it up. And what we're going to do is so I have one more left. Then I'm going to grab that one. Okay, and this last one, as we usually do, can you see those V's? Yeah, that's what I'm going to grab, those two loops, as we usually do on the Tunisian. And then you pull it. Okay. Just like this. And let me just go back. Just trying to see. So we pull one as we usually do. Okay. And then we pull two. And then we come all the way to the beginning. This part is actually the same way we do the Tunisian. 2, 2. Just like this. You can make anything with these. The only thing that comes to my mind is a blanket, Afghan, a scarf. I only have 3 balls, so I don't think I have enough to make scarf, but you can make a neck warmer, a cowl. Yeah, that would be nice. Oopsie, what am I? Something happened here. Twisted. Okay. I'm doing this 2 at a time. And then automatically you will see that this pattern of the stitch is becoming, see? One is short, one is high. Okay, now we're going to do what we see is what we're going to do. So I see the long tail. Okay. I see the long tail. I'm just going to so what we do is we do the opposite of what we see. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So the long tail, the long one that we see is we're going to grab that here, right here. We're going to grab that one. and then pull it. Okay, and then the short one we see is we're going to go it through like this, and then for the long one, the next is the long one, and it looks like I split my yarn, so I'm going to try to find that. It's a little bit tough to see, but it's right there. See this color, so we grab that one and then we do a yarn over, and then for the short one we just go through and then we pull. So we're going to repeat this all the way to the end. And then you will see the bumps, like you don't even have to pull it. Okay, just like I can see it right here, so just like this. And then you will get faster the more you pull. Oops, yeah, here's the short one. And then automatically we come to the end and we grab those two loops just like this, and then we pull, and then we do the same. 2, 2, 2, we pull. Okay, and then we are finishing our second. Isn't this nice? Oh, I just love it, love it. And then it gives me that double effect on the fabric automatically, just like this. I'm sure this would look nice on making a hat. I haven't done the hat tutorial. I did the scarf, not the scarf, the cowl tutorial, but I forgot. Okay, I will, yeah, this stitch would work nice on the hat as well. So I will do a tutorial. That is one of my, I have to go back if I did it or not. Oh, but I don't think so. So here's the second. Let me do it one more time. And then you will get the hang of it. So automatically what you see is the short one here, right? So we just go it through like this, and then you see the long one, and then we grab that bump. I can see that bump. I don't even have to. Here's the what happened here? Here's the short one. Whoops. Yeah, here's the short one. It's too short. It looks too short, doesn't it? And then the long one, what we do is we just it's right here for some reason. Okay, so I pull it like this. Okay, and here's the short one, and here's the long one. Okay, try to pull it a little bit high. Here's the short one, and here's the long one. Short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Short, long, and then come to the end. And then pull that one, and then 2, 2 again. tutu. The more you make it, the more you crochet the Tunisian stitch, the more you will create the fabric, and then you can see the stitch way better. Yeah, but the third row definitely shows the stitch. Okay, as you can see, doesn't this look nice? It looks like woven. This is one of the woven stitches. I don't like the stitches that looks like knit stitch. I can knit that stitch, but I want to create something one of a kind, which this stitch is one of my favorites. And then I pull. And this is the stitch. See, isn't this fantastic? I can see this part here that's going through, and then it gives this nice woven look. So I hope you like this tutorial. I had to share this stitch. This is one of my favorite, as I said, and the back always looks like a pearl, but when it's variegated, but it gives that nice woven look, which I think it's brilliant. And you can make jackets with this and create your one of a kind, or you can use boucle yarn in between. You know, it's endless. You can make anything you want. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. So I'll see you on my next tutorial. Happy crafting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.